In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Apple Music playlists have disappeared, so if they're not shown for any reason. So there's a couple of things we're going to go through in order to fix this, and the first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings and make sure that you do have an active subscription to Apple Music. So you can do that by opening up your settings and pressing onto your profile name at the top of the page. Then what you want to do is come and press onto subscriptions and see if you do have an active Apple Music subscription. So you can see in my case, mine is currently active. If you don't have an active subscription, you're not going to be able to access your playlist. So that's the very first thing you want to check. Now, if you do have an active subscription, but your music playlists are not showing, what you want to do is come back into your settings, and then you want to scroll down on this page until you see music. So if you don't see it in the main settings, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto apps, and then you should be able to find music in here. You just want to come down to M, locate music, and then press onto the app itself. Now in here, you want to make sure that a couple of options are turned on. So you can see in the library section, we've got add playlist songs. So you want to make sure first this is turned on, and you want to make sure the option to sync library is also turned on. After doing that, check again to see if your playlists are showing. Now, if you're still having problems and your Apple Music playlists are not showing, the next thing you're going to want to do is come back to your settings. Then what you want to do is go into general. So just up here, you want to press onto general. And from here, you want to press onto iPhone storage. Now, what it's going to do is load up all the apps installed on your iPhone. So from here, you want to find the Apple Music app. So you just want to scroll through until you find Apple Music. So you can see that's just here. Give that a press, and on this next screen you want to press offload app. So what this is going to do is free up storage used by the app. So sometimes if the app is overloaded with temporary files and things like that, it can cause glitches and bugs, including your playlist to not show up. So what you want to do is try offloading the app, which will delete the app, but you're not going to lose your songs or anything. That's still going to be on there. You just literally want to offload the app and reinstall it. Now if after trying this you're still having problems, what you're going to want to do is reach out to Apple support for further assistance, but these method should actually fix that, and you should now be able to see your Apple Music playlists. So that is how to fix Apple Music playlists disappeared. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.